Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm in Spokane, Washington. I love this hotel. It is just so beautiful. Spent the morning doing my vacation and all that flight attendant stuff that I had to do. It took a lot, with the merger our airline went through, there's a lot of stuff that we have to catch up on as the company implements all these different changes that are both contractual and post-merger technical things. So that took most of my morning, but I got up at 4:30. I'm gonna go for a walk and see the waterfall. I'm going to come back here and just read and relax and get ready for the next big day tomorrow. So I'll talk to you later. See you soon.
3 bikes.
Seriously.
What did you say? Say that again.
I said
What?
there's a bike trail.
Love it. You're so funny. All right, hold on. Okay. You did it.
Thanks so much for watching. Click the subscribe button or the bell and get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. You're awesome.